Loan mods or loan modifications. They are all the rage. The financial pundits in America are predicting more than 10 million of them this year. I'm going to show you why they're good for banks and for homeowners in just a second, but first a couple examples. First example, interest rate started at 7.875, negotiated down to 6. Well, that's nice. Mortgage payment goes from $5,200 down to $4,170, but that also includes an $800 principal reduction that grows every single month, where the original one had no principal. That's $1,800 in either savings or equity buildup. Do the math, over $20,000. How about when your house is upside down, you owe more than it's worth? Here's an example where it started at $356 loan balance, negotiated down to $320 with one of our law firms. Mortgage payment, $2,100 down to $1,270. That saves $850 some per month, and it eliminates a negative amortization loan, which was building to that loan balance every single month. The banks, who I have historically called idiots, the bankers, have finally awakened to smell the coffee, to realize that they're infinitely better off dealing with homeowners rather than foreclosing. Here's some of the reasons. An average foreclosure will cost the bank over $50,000, so they're saving money, thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, working with homeowners. They don't have to put money into reserves when they take back a non-performing asset, which is a foreclosed home. They don't have to fix up or resell and pay a commission for that house. So it's better for the cash flow. It's better for their balance sheet, which is how they borrow money so they can then loan it out to us and make money. For us, you and me, the average Joe Blow homeowner, evaluations are free of charge to see whether we are eligible to be represented by one of our law firms. That's assuming you use our firm. Absolutely free of charge. The loan modification will not affect your credit, and the reality today is that you can get a better mortgage interest rate even if you missed payments, if your credit sucks, than if you had perfect credit, if you have someone representing you that knows what they're doing. You can stop the stress. You don't have to take the kids out of school. You don't have to explain to the people at church why you're leaving. You can have a mortgage payment you can live with and know that it's permanent. Now, on my website, Loan Mods Are Us, I get a lot of questions. The biggest one is, well, can't I do this myself? Of course you can. You can also pull your own tooth or do your own brain surgery. But why wouldn't you want to use someone that does this for a living? You don't have to. You can do it yourself. Can past due amounts be forgiven? Absolutely. Loan balances can be reduced. I've shown you that. To view the 22 most frequently asked questions, go to Loan Mods Are Us. You can learn how to qualify, what it is exactly. Does Obama's plan affect you and the bank? What's a hardship letter and why do you need one? Isn't it the same as debt consolidation? And why should you use an attorney? All these and more at Loan Mods Are Us. What's the advantage to waiting? I don't know of any advantage to waiting. If you want to, go and decide if loan mods are right for you. You can do it free of charge. It takes about 10 minutes of your time. Go to Loan Mods Are Us, fill out the short form, learn more about the 9 law firms that will represent you, one of the 9, and if they accept you as a client, they have a 97% success rate, and they don't charge a dime to evaluate your circumstance. If they evaluate it, if they accept you as a client, and of course at that point they get paid, if they can't do a loan mod for you, you get your money back. Here's all my contact information. Call me, email me, or visit the website. Or pick up the phone and try to do it yourself. You're welcome to do that. We have hundreds of clients that have tried unsuccessfully that end up letting us do it for them anyway. Doesn't it make sense, rather than this be the scenario, have one of 9 law firms calling the bank on your behalf to negotiate for you? Loan Mods Are Us. Check it out. I appreciate your time, and may God richly bless you and yours today.